Hi everybody, welcome to this month's Leadership Tips from the Trenches, brought to you in partnership with our friends at That Channel. They say the higher you climb, the less feedback you get. Many managers rely on annual 360-degree surveys to get a mega dose on how they're doing from boss, peer, and direct report perspectives. The problem with this annual approach is that it's giving you feedback based on a certain static moment in time. To really benefit from feedback, you need to make it a regular habit, not an annual event. And the process doesn't have to be labor-intensive or super complicated. Here's one of my favorite techniques that you can use almost after any interaction to help you make sure you're staying on track. Ask your directs or boss or peer, what am I doing really well as a leader? And what's one thing you'd like me to do differently? And finally, what's an idea you have for me that would help me be more effective? You can use this structure as a quick way to debrief after team meetings, offsites, one-on-one discussions, or as part of your performance check-ins with your team. Essentially, anywhere you've been performing as in the role of manager. The additional benefit to taking this approach is that you'll create a culture where feedback is embraced rather than seen as something akin to corporal punishment. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have a leadership tip from the trenches that you'd like to share with our audience, send it our way and we'll feature it in an upcoming episode.